Good evening, dear colleagues. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Pavel Scarlat, and I'm here this evening in order to summarize an article from International Journal of Orthodontics. In the last decade, new materials and treatment options, including computer-aided and assisted manufacturing, have changed dramatically traditional workflows. The computer-aided manufacturing is currently performed mostly as a subtractive method, from which the designed object is milled from prefabricated blocks. This, however, wastes as much as 90% of the material. Here comes an aid, the 3D printing or additive manufacturing, which is stereolithography technique where the object is built layer by layer, post-polymerized, which reduces highly the amount of wasted material. Potential usages of this new technology could be in the manufacturing of dental casts, surgical guides, occlusal devices, or educational models. But as we know, with new technologies come new challenges, and the current article wanted to study the influence of post-polymerization strategies on the aging and hardness of 3D printed resin materials. For this purpose, the team of researchers from Ludwig Maximilian University of Munich have tested both 3D printed resin materials using different post-polymerization devices with a control CAD/CAM group. They have tested how their mechanical properties behave in humid conditions, and it showed that post-polymerization strategies have a high impact on the properties of 3D printed resin materials. Filter resins for 3D printing showed better results and seemed to be more favorable for long-term service than non-filled ones. Also, humid conditions that resemble the environment in the oral cavity seem to affect negatively the Martin's hardness properties in the first 14 days. But interestingly, those properties start to reverse and improve until 28 days. According to the study properties, from a financial and practical point of view, such 3D printed resin temporary materials would have a better usage as a long-term temporary restorations for testing, for example, new occlusal situations. But at the same time, they indicate that further studies are necessary in order to have a more advanced understanding of this new class of materials. From the shores of Lavaux, I send you my warm greetings.